की खूब और कब्बाते से टीवी। ICFA University Meghalaya is now open for admissions for the academic year 2025. Explore our best courses and apply today. Fee concessions are available for domicile students of the state of Meghalaya.
Hadian bagi na yolan banejmo ya ka player rasa Furlong mentang snipan irawan ringdur sai ka Taproom ka badan marsenda bat ka player bat kitrai ru kidi kiju ka Taproom kedeka Jaka ka bapila banyo ikjat jingbam baper na du ki Indian ki continental ki oriental ki thali bat Kiwei Gini keren ru bat manager jong kini ka Jaka ban tip khamania shapang ki services bala banyo na kini ka Taproom.
Keteng juga di Rasbor Wildanel, traiane como manager. Kene ka Taproom kadona ka Furlong, MKB Road, on the way to the Polo, but Nipko. Hanya Taproom kadon ka kidan ki microbrewery, which is the second bagi open hangne, po borok ka Shillong. Nang tade kai kajingper kalong ba ni ane ni don ki various ki cuisines ki don ki dish balong ki bade ki flambe dishes na ta de ki don ki drinks balong ki flambe e ba nilaben. It's a photogenic food and drinks bangi ya don ni should host ki events e yang ne ni don ki birthday parties, anniversaries e nilaben no sang ne e nang tade ngi sila ki catering outdoor catering, indoor catering as well. The best part ang ni kalong ba ngi it's the first sports bar ba kat deha ka per entire Shillong kan bangi man badan ki match ngi should host screening match, live screening yang ni don ki live music, ni don ki live karaoke ki bre ki man ba ki kwa ben enjoy so we do host all of this. Kidan ki por bangi host on an average 100 to 120 people. Angka don teng ki don ki invitees like suppose kum ki football match ang kidan ki clubs ba let's say ni tai ha India ngim da don tan ki clubs and all. But then kum ki Champions League ne ki Premier Leagues kim to kidan lada kidan ki football So there are certain fans jong ki Liverpool ki Manchester United तो की wanang ne ben ya host ika watch party gitu wanang ne ki ni penbiang ki screen which is ni dan artli ki projector but pratli ki tv hande ti on every angle ki gas ki yo ben yu ken hagno ka match ka don ka Pangkal slang kabam da syong no kabam ni ki biang bahang da kabam ni boro ki brio ki enjoy bhaya kabam ki bang bhaya kabam and on top of that ki recommend ro Kiwei ba kinwan hang ne ban ya bam kum to so I say for me at least kabam hang ne it's top notch long ngidon ki various cuisines like ngidon ki Indian ngidon tandoor ngidon conti ngidon Chinese. Apart from that, the kikwa pastry ni tribe and ai kituro let's say long hangne basically ni kidon ki bam bangile flambero ba ni kuntob long kabam but ka drinks ni le flambe ya kato so that is one special unique ba ni serve agnero actually ki main chef head chefs bangidon jong number bangidon ang ni ki south department jong ka bam Teng idon marway ki head chef jang borok departments and under them ki don pat ki helpers ki commis kem baki yarap ban prepared ika bam te under that ki don totally ha kitchen ni don khan chpongot ni don chpongot ha ki kitchen te borok ki trailang kum long lada ki don ka bam jang kawai ka department ki la yarap lang kum to.
My name is Chef Kajal Singh. Basically I'm from Himachal Pradesh. And from last 9 months, I'm working with this Taproom, and I'm having almost 15-year plus experience in this industry. So from last 15 years, I'm working in hotel industries. Actually, I'm specialized in continental cuisine and Indian and tandoor cuisine. Our Indian cuisine and tandoor, they like it very much because they are getting the same taste from the north here in Shillong also. So they used to get very surprised after getting the same the taste which they used to get in the northeast. People here, those who want to like have pizza, so we are having thin crust pizza that is very popular in Shillong. We are only the one who are serving the thin crust pizza and 14 inches pizza first time in the Shillong. And rest, if you want to like have kebabs, so you can go with the different kind of kebabs we are having, like champ, mushroom giloti, and non-veg also we are having banjara that is very popular from the Taproom. And recently we have introduced thalis also. So both the thalis, a veg and non-veg thalis are there in Indian also and Chinese also. So we are taking for that bulk order also, and online also we are putting it, and people can order from there also.
Ngidon lang, ngidon na Swiggy, ngidon na Zomato, ngidon na Netflix. Apart from that, kidon ki certain gas ba ki kwa at home delivery without placing in the app. So something special ba ki kwa ba kamdon ha ka menu jong ki Swiggy or Zomato or online. Te ki request ba please pin prepare no inga kumnem ne bang kwa ba men. And on top of that ba ngipin I delivery pat sa do siyeng ro. Kiwei kila ben one bed long hang ne ha taproom jongi kila ben experience ki sports screening jongi hang ne let's say ladangi don ki events kum ki karaoke ne live music ki kila ben one hang ne ni shit host ki parties ro teng ki Saturdays and all. Let's say ni don ki teng ni don ki events bangi host hi kum ki pajama party, let's say ne ngidon ki happy hours bangi ne ki offers bangi pin introduce nama ki paitba bro bakila ben enjoy kito ong lada ki kwa ben Richard ki la ben follow ye ki socials jongi ne le se ngidon ka number lo jong ro te kila ben follow ye ki socials jongi kadon ki number kadon ki address baki brio kila ben contact yengi at any time of point menta ngi play na du khatar hadu khatar. Basically ngi play means ngi nama ba ngi kwa ben attract iki briba banba means ngi. So at this point of time pat ngi la introduce ye ki thali system ro ba ngi ye ki corporates ne let's say ki any government official buildings kito te kibriba kumanta kibri kim yo ben lead bam ito we do the delivery itself also. So there is a thali they can enjoy our lunch, a part of glimpse of naka menu jongi kan kilaben enjoy kato.
From the hills of the east, a new voice rises. Hello Meghalaya, our state's first ever OTT platform streaming stories, music and dreams. From folklore to films, beats to breakthroughs, this is where culture meets creativity. Discover award-winning talents, breakthrough creators, and untold stories that deserves to be seen. From soulful podcasts to live streams and dreamers. This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello Meghalaya. Your story starts here.